go get a FC170.
Say FC170.
Some big beat.
That's right.
And beat.
And they're gonna be. First we gotta go to Notice and drop this thing off. Have them do some fixing on it. There's a valve that needs to be repaired. Let's check and make sure we're all strapped pretty good. Good and tight. Okay. Well, this will be fun, guys. I'm really excited for you to see this thing because there aren't many of them, and I think it's going to blow your mind. Here we are, guys, at Windy Page Farms. Yeah, we are in Ontario. Old man's just getting the gate. We've been here a handful of times, so they know us, and you guys get to see what we're going to be getting today. You ready to see your friend, Finn? Huh? Ready to go see some animals? Animals, some cows? What does a cow say? Yeah, what does a pig say? Oink, oink, oink. What does a duck say? Quack, quack. Yeah, good job. Does it come with this bit of gasket? I could probably use it. He wants to save it for his other Jeep. Oh, look at you, buddy. Yeah. Man, you drove a tractor today, an FC? Jeez, you're a stud. Okay, homies, that was a long time loading, but we're done. It's on. There we go. What you doing, bud? What you doing? Huh? Just checking everything once over.
You ready to go? Come on. Let's figure out that way. Come on.
Well, let's check out what he's got. An FC150. This is the short cab version. Pretty roached compared to ours. I mean, the bottoms are just completely gone. Supposedly there's an axle in the back. A front axle. Oh yeah, lucky. Wish I had a front axle. Oh wait, I do, but it's for a Dodge Power Wagon. Here is an FC170. Got an old Postal Courier Jeep. We've got a Willys pickup truck with a big old boom, baby. And check out this drive. They locked the brake on this side, shortened their axle up, And a couple of Willie's wagons. Old CJ. Another old CJ. And another old CJ. And a Hobart CJ engine welder.